How to turn off lockdown mode on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Privacy and Security. After that, scroll down and in the Security section, tap on Lockdown Mode. Now in here, tap on Turn off Lockdown Mode and then tap on Turn off and restart. Next, we need to enter the passcode. The phone should not attempt to restart. This will take a few moments. Just be patient. Now you may see a black screen and you may think the phone has crashed or something because it takes some time, but it actually does require sometimes to turn off lockdown mode on the background. Just be patient while your phone is doing all that in the background. In here, the phone is starting up. Now it shouldn't take too long to go into your lock screen. You need to enter the passcode once the phone boot up. So here, boot up, we just need to enter your lock screen passcode to gain access to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.